Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine and United States discuss air defense drones and long-term supply of key weapons. Minister of Defense of Ukraine, Mikhailo Fedorov, met with Julie S. Davis to discuss continued cooperation on air defense drones and U.S. military support for Ukraine. During the meeting, Fedorov thanked the United States for its comprehensive military and diplomatic assistance and its readiness to deepen cooperation. He emphasized the importance of the Pearl Initiative, which supplies the defense forces of Ukraine with critical weapons, and noted ongoing work with partners to extend both Pearl and the U.S. Jumpstart mechanism. These efforts are aimed at ensuring the long-term supply of critical U.S.-made weapons for Ukraine. To protect the sky, it is crucial to have as soon as possible a clear forecast of air defense missile deliveries for this year, and to build reliable supplies for the years to come, Fedorov said. The sides also discussed organizing joint analytics on the use of key U.S. systems, including Patriot and HIMARS, using battlefield data to jointly improve their effectiveness. Laser-guided artillery munitions were identified as another priority, as they significantly enhance accuracy and depth of engagement, and Ukraine is counting on U.S. support in this area. We also gave particular attention to implementing the large-scale drone deal. We are working to enable U.S. partners to directly test Ukrainian drones without unnecessary bureaucracy. I am grateful for the constructive dialogue and the consistent support for Ukraine, Fedorov said. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.